Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do a dry wash and go, which is basically a wash and go on dry hair. So last night I washed my hair and I just used the VO5 Moisture Milk shampoo and conditioner, and then I deep conditioned it with just whatever conditioner I had on hand, and I left that in for about 15 to 30 minutes with a bag on my head, washed it out, and then I moisturized my hair with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and then just this oil mixture by African Pride, which I really like. And then I put my hair into some twists and went to bed and let it dry overnight. And then this morning I just put these quick braids in it in a ponytail because I had to see other people and I didn't want my hair to look crazy. But for the wash and go, the only thing I'm going to be using is the Olive Oil Eco Style Gel, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of or even used. And that's the only thing I'm going to be using. And I have a comb just in case I need it, and a ponytail holder. The rest of this video, I believe, is going to be a voiceover, but I did want to let you know I am going to go ahead and take my hair down. It is 95% dry. Like in the middle it's a little bit damp, but that's no problem. I'm not going to add any other water or any other oil or any other moisturizers. So I'm just going to take my hair down so you guys can see it. So it's like semi-stretch, and I have a mirror over here, so I keep looking there. That way I can see what I'm doing to my hair. This is what my hair is looking like right now. Like I said, it's 95% dry, and I'm only going to use the Olive Oil Eco Style on it. Normally with a regular wash and go, it takes my hair almost 24 hours to dry, but when I do a dry wash and go, it takes about 5 or 6 hours to dry. I am going to blow dry it because I plan on utilizing the wash and go to make another hairstyle that I am going to make another video for. So in this video you might see me blow drying my hair. That's just to get it dry quicker. I kind of take a long time to do my hair, so I'm actually going to split my hair into 4 sections and do 3 of the sections off camera, and then come back and do 1 of the sections in the front so you guys can see what I'm doing and what it looks like. And like I did say, there will be a voiceover for that part, so I can actually talk and explain what's going on there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright you guys, so I was able to actually record me doing my entire head, but I'm just going to speed through the process. So right now you're just watching me split my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on my hair by detangling and then putting the gel on and shingling. But like I said, I'm just speeding through this process. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. This is my first time doing a voiceover. But here's the section I'm going to slow down and show you guys. So I'm struggling actually to take my hair out of a ponytail. And I'm going to start by detangling this section with the comb. Now this section is pretty detangled because it was twisted up or braided up last night, but you know, natural hair can sometimes get tangled in the blink of an eye, so I'm just running the comb through that section thoroughly. The more detangled your sections are, the better your wash and go, or actually any natural style, will come out. And next I'm sectioning off a row that's about 1 inch thick. You can section your pieces smaller or larger, you know, it's just your personal preference. And I'm going to start by detangling this row again just to make sure it's super duper smooth, and then I'm going to go in with the gel. So I'm only going to take a small dollop of gel first, and I'm going to really work this into the hair from roots to ends. And this is important because since we're not using any type of liquid or leave-in, there isn't any like water or anything to make the curls revert. So I'm really working this into my hair so that the curls can start forming. After that is worked in really well, I'm going to take some more gel as needed and really start to shingle those sections and define those curls and clump them as I see necessary. And this doesn't really take that long to do. It actually took a shorter amount of time than I anticipated. I got this whole process done in about 30 minutes or so, and usually I'm a slow cook when I do my hair. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this process and do the same thing, keep parting my hair into rows
detangling it and adding the gel as necessary. And we're just going to go ahead and speed through this, and I'll be back to show you the result. And right here I'm showing you the finished product of my hair now that I've applied all the gel. I'm going to spin around really quickly so you can see my entire head. And I know my hair is an awkward shape, and that's because I'm growing out an angled bob that I had done for my birthday.
Okay, so I'm back and I let my hair air dry for like 2 hours. And it's about like 65 to 70% dry. Like the back is pretty much all dry, but it's mainly like the top that's still wet. So I'm going to use the blow dryer, and I'm just going to use this blow dryer I got from Walmart. It's a Revlon ceramic ionic blow dryer that has infrared light, so when I turn this on, it turns red. It does come with a diffuser and a concentrator nozzle, but I hardly ever use those, and I hate the diffuser. So I'm just gonna blow my hair around with this, and I don't care if my hair gets wild and big because, like I said before, I'm actually gonna turn this dry wash and go into another style, and that'll just make it even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. Alright, so I'm done blow drying my hair, and that only took about 10 minutes. It might have been less. Actually, it went really fast. Like I said, the part that was still the wettest was obviously the last exercise I did, and like the top of my head, because you know, the air didn't really get up in there. My hair is crunchy. You guys can probably tell that it's crunchy, but that's okay. I actually like crunchy hair because then I know it's gonna last and it's not gonna get frizzy. So to me, the more crunch the better. But yeah, this is the finished result of my dry wash and go. And like I said, I only used the Eco Style Gel, didn't add any other moisturizers or oils besides what I did yesterday. So if you want to see what this crazy hair is going to turn into, make sure you guys keep an eye out for my next video. But until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.